Alright everyone, I just came back from the exhaust shop. I'll insert some clips and photos here. Overall, they did a pretty good job. Pretty cheap, 150 bucks. That's pretty good. It does sound pretty nice. It's not as raspy anymore. It sounds deep. I think I might change the two mufflers here, since it sounds like they're going out, but it's pretty hard to tell. I don't really know. It sounds pretty good though. Like on low RPMs, it's very deep. That's what I was trying to go for. Not like a 350Z. But yeah, next is the side skirt. It's already done. I just have to pay them and go pick it up and install it on the car. But other than that, the car is basically done. So thank you for watching.